Hi everybody, I wanted to show you how to set up a Microsoft Teams meeting in your Blackboard calendar and then sync your Blackboard calendar into your Outlook. Okay, so what you're going to do is when you're in Blackboard, you're going to go to Course Tools, and under Course Tools, you're going to pick Microsoft Teams. Okay. When you pick Teams, it's going to take a little bit because my internet is satellite and is awful, but once you pick Teams, it will start thinking and it will launch the LTI tool, which I don't know what that means, but it just means it's connecting to Teams. Eventually, you will see a sign in. When you click on it, it'll pop up. You'll put your sign-in information in, and then once you do that, you'll see Create Meeting Link. So you're going to click on the link, and we're going to type in whatever you want to type in. So I do virtual student hours, come get help, and then you enter your information. I'm up to October 8th, 2, and you set the time, set the end time, and you create it. Now you have to do this for each of your links. You have to go in each time and follow these steps. So you're going to add to the calendar and click OK. And it will then tell you success. You go back into the home page. I'll show you one more time. Under Course Tools, you're going to slide down and pick Microsoft Teams. It's doing the thinking, so you'll see it's connecting to the TLI or LTI. It will launch the sign-in box again, but hopefully you won't actually have to sign in this time. You just click on sign in, and it will go through that process for you. So I'm going to sign in. It's going to have a pop-up box that's signing you in. And then you're going to create your meeting link. So you set your title, virtual student hour, come get help. You're going to pick your day. So I'm up to October 13th. I'm going to pick the time. For this one, it is 9:30 to 10:30. And then you're going to create it. Excuse me. Okay. Once you create it, it'll tell you meeting created. You want to add it to your calendar and click OK. And then you go back home and you do it all over again. And when you're ready to sync or I guess send your Blackboard calendar into your Outlook, you're going to click over here on calendar. If you've created a calendar course tool or whatever it's called. And then on the left-hand side, if you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see iCalendar. So you're going to get the external calendar link. It will create it for you and you copy it. Okay. Then you go over into your calendar and you're going to set up an other calendar. I already put mine in here. So you're going to, let's see, slide down a little bit here. Are you going to add a new? Nope. You're going to add a calendar, sorry, and you're going to subscribe from the web. And here's where you're going to paste that document. You're going to call it whatever you want. I called mine Blackboard. You can do a color coding if you want, and then you're going to hit import. and it will then show up once it imports, since mine's already in here, over under other calendars. And you'll go back in and you can then, it takes a couple of hours to sync. So if you don't see it show up right away, like I have one on October 24th, you want to make sure, here it is, your Blackboard is clicked on. So whenever it's October 24th, you just click on that and it will open up the join the teams. And you click on the teams and you are ready to go. I'm also going to do a video on how your students get to Teams and navigate it once they're in there. So I hope this is helpful. Good luck, everybody.